The Jellyfish Night Lamp has gone viral across social media for its mesmerizing floating jellyfish effect and relaxing LED lights. But is it really worth the hype or just another overmarketed gimmick? In this in-depth Jellyfish Night Lamp review, we'll take a close look at what this product actually is, how it works, and whether it truly delivers the calming underwater ambience the ads promise. According to its claims, the lamp uses gentle water currents and lifelike silicone jellyfish to create a realistic marine experience, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or as a nighttime relaxation piece. However, many customers have raised concerns about inconsistent product quality, noisy motors, weak lighting, and delayed shipping times, especially when ordering from unverified websites. Some versions of the Jellyfish Lamp sold online are cheap knockoffs that don't match the promotional videos, arriving smaller, leaking water, or with jellyfish that don't float properly. A few buyers have reported good experiences when purchasing from verified brands or Amazon sellers, noting the soothing motion and decent build quality, but even those admit it's more of a novelty mood light than a true aquarium alternative. With multiple sellers offering nearly identical versions under different names, shoppers should be careful. Always check real customer reviews, confirm return policies, and avoid impulse purchases from suspicious ads on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Overall, while the Jellyfish Night Lamp isn't necessarily a scam, it's often overhyped, and your satisfaction will depend heavily on which seller you choose. If you're expecting a quiet, durable, and high-quality ambient lamp, manage your expectations or buy from trusted online retailers that offer return protection.